First of all, friends, let's look at the income of an animal channel. You'll be surprised. It has 95K subscribers, and look at its income. It is $10,500. Yes, its monthly income is $10.5K. After that, look at another channel. You'll also be surprised when you see its monthly income. Its monthly income is $3.7K NCD. And today, you are also going to create animal videos completely for free, because these types of videos are going very viral these days. I'm going to show you how you can create viral animal videos like these. We are going to create realistic animal videos, which are very popular and going viral these days. You can also create videos exactly like these, and you can see that they are getting very good views as well. I'm showing you both of these animal video channels. Friends, you can create realistic videos, just like you can see here, as I'm showing you. And after that, you can see that these channels are getting good views. They are getting views in the millions, and the results of these channels are also very good. These are monetized channels, and they are animal channels. Channels like these can get monetized quickly, and you can also create them completely for free. I'm going to tell you the complete course. I'll explain everything in this course, including how to generate AI voices. You can create videos about any animal. For example, if there is a zebra and a tiger running, you can talk about which one would have the highest speed between the two. Or you can also create topics about snakes and other animals. Apart from this, you can create anything you want, make your own channel, and grow your channel. I'm going to explain the complete course to you. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's start and see how you can create these training videos. Alright friends, once you come to this page, the first thing you need to do is copy these prompts. These are the prompts you'll need. I'll also show you how to create unlimited prompts. Simply copy all the prompts and paste them here. Once you paste them, it will take a little time, and then it will generate all the scenes for you. Whether you want 10 scenes, 12 scenes, or more, you can generate as many as you want. For example, I'm going to show you how to create 10 scenes. If you want more, instead of 10 scenes, you can use 12, 20, 25, or as many scenes as you want. After that, you can simply type, "Give me a 200-word story." For example, you can ask it to create a story about a lion and a snake in the jungle, or a story comparing the speed of a zebra, lion, or tiger. You can create the story based on whatever topic you want to well. Now, the next question is, I can make one video, but how can I create more videos? For that, you have these two prompts in black. Simply copy these two prompts and come to ChatGPT. Then type, "Change the animals in this." Make 2 new prompts with new animals. Once you do that, ChatGPT will create completely new prompts for you. The tiger, zebra, snake, and other animals will be replaced with new ones. This way, you can keep changing the animals and create new prompts according to your choice. Now, to create the videos, open Google Docs. You can also use this for free, and I'm using it right in front of you. Let me copy the first prompt and paste it here. I've already created videos with this method before. It will take a little time, and the first video will start generating. As you can see, the result of the first video is amazing. It looks completely realistic, just like a real tiger and zebra running together. Now, I'll copy the second prompt and paste it as well. After a little while, the second video will also be ready. As you can see, the second video is ready too, and you can see how good the result looks. In the same way, you can create as many videos as you want. Now I'll add the prompt for the third scene, and its video will also be generated. Then I'll add the fourth prompt, and as you can see, the fourth video is ready as well. So, this is how you can create videos on this website for free. You don't have to spend a lot of money. If you can use the website for free, you can easily create as many videos as you want. After this, what's next? I'm going to use the second website, labs.google.com. It's a completely free website, and it gives you 50 credits daily. You can change the email and get even more credits. But you'll actually see that you can make 2 or 3 videos with it. However, I'm going to show you how you can make quite a lot of videos on this. If you select a 6-second video, you can make 3 to 4 videos. With this option, after pasting the prompt, you can make it using only 10 credits. If you select 8 seconds, it costs 12 credits. That means you can make 4 videos in 8 seconds, and you can make 5 videos in 6 seconds. I'm selecting 8 seconds and pasting the prompt. the first video will start generating. You can see the result. It's really good. Okay, in the same way, I'm uploading the second video. You can see that the prompts are coming with a consistent tractor. Everything is coming with a consistent tractor. You just have to paste the prompt. In the same way, I'll copy the next prompt and paste it. As soon as I paste the prompt, the video will be ready. In the same way, I'll copy another prompt and paste it. So this way, the third video will also start generating. You can make the third video as well with a consistent tractor. You can see that you can create videos on this with a consistent tractor. If your credits run out, you can see the browser here. You can change it and create videos on another website as well. Okay, if you change the credits, you can also get more websites or credits by changing the email. In this way, all of my videos are now ready. Now, how will we generate the AI voice? If you want to generate an AI voice, friends, then I'll tell you about a website called Unlimited AI Tools, Text-to-Speech. This is a very good website for generating AI voices. You can see that the result is also amazing. So, I'll copy one of the prompts from here. Okay, and this is Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. I'll simply copy and paste the first prompt here. You can select storytelling or whatever you want. That depends on you. You have to select the Blaze voice, select storytelling, and click on Generate, and your voice will be ready.
Beautiful 3D.
You can generate the voice for free.
And a banana walking side by side on a peaceful beach during sunset. Both characters
don't even need to log in here. If you want to listen to the voice, that is also ready here. So, after this, what do we have to do? We have to edit the video for the final result. For video editing, the best website I'm going to tell you about is CapCut software for video editing. You can easily edit your videos in it in your own way. Okay, so I'll open CapCut. Here, I'll add all my clips one by one, paste the audio, and edit all my clips according to whatever looks good to me. And my video is now completely ready. You can see it. The result is also amazing. You can create videos like this. I've explained everything about how to edit them and how to do everything for free. I hope you liked the video. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll bring even more videos for you. Thanks for watching.